Alrighty, fan collectors, what we're looking at here today is a Emerson Friction Drive ceiling fan. This is a custom one. It's got custom blades, I should say. It's like to make it look like it's 48 inches, but it's not like that from the factory. I got this a few weeks ago off Facebook Marketplace along with a 52-inch one. Yeah. They both came out of a cabin that was about to be demolished, the guy said. You can see somebody had cut, and I will give him credit. I will give whoever did this credit for actually taking the time to edge out or round the ends out like how they should be. The top here, it's got some paint from the joist that it was on. No canopy, it never came with one. There's your tag. CF524A. So yeah, it has no control. It has been removed. This thing was on a high ceiling, and so I have it. Ignore all this, but I have it on a brown solid state control. So yeah, I had to take this thing apart when I had to test it the first time. I had to take the whole entire thing apart, including the box fan motor that's inside, and that's what makes the whole thing spin. I'm sure some other collector has a better way of explaining how these things work. But yeah, without further ado, here's hopefully low speed. And when I say that, it'll try to stall out if I try to put it down there. So here we go. It's not going to stall out on me. Yeah, this thing was completely seized up when I got it. I'm actually impressed. This is like the slowest I've been able to get it to go. Wobbles a little bit because of so I would say this right here is one of Emerson's this is probably the first. No. This fan is one of Emerson's worst ceiling fans they've ever made. Like, these things are just awful. It's not quiet. I got my furnace running in the background, which you can hear right now. This thing vibrates my whole ceiling because of the way I fixed it with electrical tape to get the rubber band to stay on the thing that makes the wheels spin around. I'm very impressed that I was able to get it to go this slow. Alright, we'll crank it up a little bit. Yeah, now that the furnace is off, hopefully you can hear what I mean by it's noisy. Oh, now it's look, I haven't touched it and it just stalled out. As you can see, this thing is Casablanca slumber quiet, as you can hear. I could sleep with this thing on any day. No, I'm kidding. This thing is terrible. So I guess I'd call this a medium speed. It's giving us a nice beat though. Give it a little more of a turn on the control. Probably the noisiest fan I own. Alright, give it a little more of a turn. Yeah, if I put my hand up to the ceiling right now, I can feel the ceiling vibrating because of how loud this thing is, how it thuds and stuff. Give it another turn. This will probably be the last turn I will give it. Really didn't seem to do much. It's a little faster from when I originally had it. I tried balancing it, but it's kind of not worth it because I'm never really ever going to use this. I'm just going to have it as a collectible, I guess. It's not that fast, as you can see. Look at that thing wobble. Holy cow. It's moving a good amount of air. Alright. You guys are probably about to witness the quickest spin down ever. Y'all ready? Spin down in 3, 2, 1. Just like that, it's stopped. So now I'll Next up would be the 52-inch one I have. I've not tested that one yet, but hopefully it works correctly. Anyway, I'll end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.